How to change character voice in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Changing the character voice in Wuthering Waves is actually pretty simple. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves application on your device and wait for the main game to load. Once it loads, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Right after you do that, you'll open up this terminal page where you'll need to tap on resonators at the top. After you're inside this page, go to the bottom left and tap on this information tab where you'll see the voice option. Tap on it and go ahead and select a different voice you want to change to. Go ahead and select your character's voice line you want to change to from the menu. You can hear the voice by tapping on it, and after making the selection, you can get back. Do this for every other character you want to change the voice for, and there you go. That is how it can be easily done. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.